Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing something different than the Cobra or the Jeep or those kind of things. We're going to be back on working on one of Joe's vehicles. You've seen his GS300 that we put coilovers on. Don't worry, there's more to come with that car. We'll take a little walk around to give you guys a little teaser, but more to come. There's some stuff that's been done to it that you haven't seen yet, so let's see that. But this time around, we're going to work on his 2020 Toyota Tundra. We'll give you a cool walk around. We're going to put a bed rack on. We're actually going to be doing a little review on a CBI rack and putting his Tepui tent on it. So let's get to the unboxing. Joe, you ready?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, Joe, give us a little rundown on this thing.
All right, so I got rid of my Tacoma. Unfortunately, outgrew it as a family. It was a great truck, but needed something bigger. So went and got a 2020 Tundra about 3 months ago. It's an SR5 with the off-road package on it. I didn't go with the Pro because I planned to lift it and didn't want to spend the extra money on all the suspension I'd be taking off of it. So we went ahead and did a Icon Stage 4 lift on it. So it's got the remote res, add a leaf in the rear since I'm throwing my rooftop tent back on. I didn't want to have a bunch of sagging. We did the Icon Rebound wheels with 33-inch KO2s on it. The only other upgrades, I did the blackout emblems all the way around on it, and the Tundra blacked out on the trunk. So we're getting there. It's 3 months, and we're already doing stuff to it. So
Dark Icon in the house. We love that Icon stuff, don't we?
yeah, super nice.
So this is what we're going to be working here, but let's get a good... This truck's so clean.
Went with the cement gray. My other one was the quicksand, so had to do something similar to having a nice color.
It's the right height, right color.
Perfect. I love this truck.
Looks good. Sweet. All right, let's get to the fun stuff.
Alrighty. So instead of doing a whole rack system this time, I just went with the bed bars. I wanted something a little bit more cost friendly versus spending $1,000 on a bed rack. I already spent enough on the truck.
It's just money.
Right? So CBI makes a really nice kit. Through the process of ordering this with COVID, it took a while to get it here, but their customer service was pretty on point, keeping me updated. I'd definitely buy from them again.
What was at time of filming? What the cost of this rack go for?
Oh man, I want to say it was $475 or something.
Under 500?
Under 5, yeah.
Sweet. So I mean we're gonna put a rack on this truck for basically under $500. And
Yep.
It's a nice rack. So
So yeah, they package
look at that.
everything.
That's all
And
packaged super nice.
This is what I would expect from CBI. Not throwing cheap stuff in here. They definitely take care of their products.
Now can you get it in different colors, or does it just basically black is?
Comes powder coated in black. And you can see, I mean, everything's super detailed.
It's a pretty nice piece.
Yeah,
Check
for
out those
sure.
welds on that thing. Weld. Ridiculous. Let's see if I get it to focus. Focus. There we go. Oh yeah.
Yeah, definitely a good product. My other truck had RCI on it, and RCI also was really nice, packaged well. I beat it up, and the powder coating was good. It held up.
Nice.
So I would expect the same from this. It's gonna get beat up for sure. Got the hardware packaged up real nice.
Give you all the bolts you need. Does it give you any tools, or do you have to have your own tools? Looks like you have to have your own tools, but
Yeah, and no directions, but it's not like we read those. Nowadays.
right. Put bars on. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a little self-explanatory.
Yeah, for sure. There's one bar.
Those are cool.
So,
Look at that engraving on the side. Sweet. Now, is this specifically made for the Tundra?
Yes.
Yep.
so you have them for a bunch of different vehicles. It's all based off of the width and length of your bed.
Right.
So, but yeah, this is it. So, we'll get
Cool.
this stuff sorted out real quick.
Yep. guys, so now that we have them set up, we are going to move them to the truck. All right, guys, so the rack is on. To be all honest with you, the rack is awesome. The hardware that comes with the rack,
It's trash.
this stuff here that comes with the rack is trash. It's stainless, and we had the nuts. They're just rough Chinese stainless stuff. So we went and got grade 8 bolts. They didn't have enough to be able to do the half front of the rack, so Joe's gonna come and switch these out later. But to get the video filmed, we're gonna put it all on now. So rack is in. Rack is amazing. It is sturdy. You could do backflips and land upside down on this thing, and it's good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna move on and put the tent on it.
Reposition yourself.
Ready? Yep.
Part's over.
Here we go. All right.
Let's see what I wanted. I just snug these. Don't want to go too far with them.
All right, there we go. So on. Happy with it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice rack. Like we said, the only thing that needs some refinement is the hardware. But at this price point, that's just the hardware you get. I would recommend, Joe would recommend, go out, spend the $15 extra on grade 8 hardware and put it in before you even get started, and don't even deal with that other stuff. With that though, thanks for being here. If you guys like this, leave us a comment. If you want any information, have any questions, hit us up. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. There will be definitely more Tundra stuff coming. Maybe some stuff on the front end, maybe some stuff back here, who knows. So with that, oh yeah, up on top too, there's a
Princey rack.
Princey rack is in the works. So we'll bring more content. If you guys want to see more Tundra content, let us know. And over there in the corner, definitely more GS300 stuff. We forgot to take a look at this when earlier, but here's what we got, guys. So GS300, some of that VIP action. Hopefully, even someday down there, this will be with the green, with the white, or I shouldn't even say that, with the Cobra, airbagged, slammed. Joe has some wheels that he has picked out for it besides these ones that are going to come for it. So with that, we'll see you guys later. Joe,
Bye.
Thanks. Adios.